Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be playing some more asphalted airborne. So let's start. We don't have enough money, so what we're going to do is we're going to buy the Audi R8 e-tron, but we do not have enough money. We need like another 2000 credits more, so we're going to do motorbike races and get some money. And in my last motorbike races I did not do very well. As you saw, I lost a lot. Then after that I started practicing and I got better, and I managed to win the final event. That's why I'm on the other chapter now of motorbike racing. So let's see how that's gonna end out. I mean, let's start. We're in the Alps. What the heck was that sound? Okay, let's start. Okay, how many races? Two? Two, just two. Okay, wait. Do that. You know what we're gonna do? You know our song. Let's go. We're in first place now, which is good. We have off to a good start actually. True. Yes, we got a knockdown in the middle of the air. Oh, that was a poor stand. That was sad. Yes, very sad. Let's go. Let's get some more boost. Get some more boost. That was a poor stand. That's a bush. Let's go up here. Let's see what happens. It's my second asphalt video of today, so as I said, one shot of the day. So I've already given my shout out to my friend Ralph Thomas. So that's fun. And if you haven't watched that video, I'm going to share shout outs again. Shout out to Ralph Thomas, my friend. He's cool. He's also one of my best friends. The second time I'm singing again in my video. Yep. Okay. Let's go. Like doing shout outs. It's fun. Just doing some random people's names. Oh my god. Comment down below if anybody in your family owns a motorbike or not. My brother does. He has a sports bike, Pulsar 220F. It goes like, I don't know how much it goes to. Oh my god, we so nearly crashed into the car. But then what happened was, we went in the middle and stopped. Just like that. It was nice. We have a solid first place, which is very good, and boom, apex good, no footer 100%. Let's go. We've charged the nitro fully, which is nice, and we're heading right straight for the finish. Yes, we finished in first place. Yeah, that was nice. Yep, there's still a few crackles happening because it's Diwali. Sorry. So I guess we need like another 1,500 credits. Yep, we do. We need about 1,500 credits. Let's go to where did that? Okay, this one, next race. It's classified classic race. Let's go. See how this is gonna be. Let's start the race. Let's see how we're gonna do. Good or bad. I do not know myself. We'll have to see when this race begins. Still loading in. Last video I had some internet problem, but my Wi-Fi wasn't working, but it's working again, so that's nice. Comment down below what game should I do. And yeah, let's start. Let's go. Come on, knock down right now. Nope. Nope. I was like, knock down right now, and then was like, no. Oh no. Oh, okay, it's happening to us again. Where should we go? Okay, we're going here because most of the motorbikes are going here. Only one of them has gone the other way. Yep, we took the shorter way. Although we are still in 7, which is not the best thing that can happen to us. Anyway, let's see where are we going. Okay, we're going here. And let's go. Let's go. Oh no. We fell back at 7th place in that. And we're back at 8. That wasn't good. So, we're in first place, but then we lost. Again? Guys, I guess we have to restart this race because we're not having a very good start. So, Let's restart this race and let's try not to act dumb and go the right way this time. Yeah. So we start again. Off to a fresh start. Let's see how that's gonna be. Yep. Let's see how that's gonna be. Still taking some time to start or get started. Area 551. Let's go. See what happens. 2, 1, go! Okay. First. First of all. Let's go. Boom. No. Knockdown. Knockdown right now, no? Sploom. Sploom. Oh, that was sad. We just got a nitro. We're still 15, which is good. And boost. Right now. Right now. I need a miracle. I need a miracle. I need you, I need you, I need you right now. Oh, I need you right now. Comment down below if you heard that song before. Don't let me down. Chainsmokers. They sang that song. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, 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 come on. Come on, son. Oh, yes, son. Okay, we're in 4th place. Damn. 5th place. Naughty son. Go back, son. Our game is lagging a bit. I don't know why that's happening. Must be because of my internet again. I don't know. Well, at least we're in 3rd place, man. We're almost in 2nd. And we are in 2nd. Let's go. Asphalt it. Be nice to me. Let's go. Let's jump. And let's hit a stunt. Apex perfect. No foot 100%. Nice, nice. We have a lot of nitro right now, so that's nice. And drifting. Drift time. Hammer time. Hammer time. Comment down below if you've heard that song. You can't touch it. Okay. Boost. Yes, mid good. Mid good. Good. Special flip. That's some more boost. And go. Boo. Charged. Fully charged. Apex good. Nice, nice. We have a solid first place right now. So I'm happy for that. Why is there just a military random helicopter flying in the air? That's scary. Hope we're not doing something illegal. That would be sad. Bad as well. Okay, the finish line is just here. Nothing bad can happen now. Yes, first place for us. We win this race again. I mean, the first time we did it anyway. That was nice. And there's a lot of traffic outside. Yep. See, we got 679 credits. So what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna do like the motorbike races, and then when I get $7,500, I mean credits, then what we're gonna do is Temple Drive Classic. I'm gonna end the video there, and then my mother's talking to someone very loud once again, and then my mother, not my mother, I mean them, we'll buy the Audi R8 e-tron. Or we won't buy it. I'll do another video about that. Us buying the Audi R8 e-tron and then racing. The 3 races we can do with that car, so we can do that. I don't know, maybe 4 or 5. Because in the last video we did do, or 2 videos ago we did do a video about the Tesla Model S versus the Audi R8 e-tron. So it was like, if you finish with the Tesla, you get 1 extra star, and if you finish in 1st place, you get 3 more stars. That results to 4 stars, and if you finish with the R8 e-tron, you get another star, which will be 4 stars. I've already finished with the Tesla. That's 4 stars, and now what we have to do, we have to finish with the e-tron, and then we're gonna get many stars in that. So that would be good. First of all, we are racing with cars, and we cannot knock cars down. That's what cars can do to you. Did you see what that Cadillac XTS did to us? It bumped us into the wall and we flew. Cars are so fast. I mean, cars are so heavier and stronger than bikes. That's why. Okay, get up, get up, get up. Hammer time. Oh, no. Don't do that to me. You naughty fellow. Car, I mean, sit. Not a fellow. Let's go. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit this jump right now. Charge it, yes. Let's go. You can't touch this. Oh yeah. And boom. Okay, we're flying. We're flying through the atmosphere. We were like just gliding in the air. Oh god. You can't touch this. Come on. Boost, my child. Oh, I was a poor stunt. Why did we just do that? Okay. Oh, we couldn't even press the button. I don't know why. Something was wrong with my game there. Okay, let's go. Let's get down. I'm down in the rain. Okay. It's fine here. Oh no! You're abandoning the race because of that we fell in second place. Oh, get back up there right now. Thank God. I don't think motorbikes can wreck cars. So yeah. I don't think so. We finished in second place. Damn it. We shouldn't have left the circuit. And let's see how many credits we got. So that's fine. 155 seconds. Okay. 435 credits. So I guess we're gonna do one more race and then we're gonna end the video. So yep. And I have an itchy nose. Okay, just need like another few more credits. So let's do this race and being a showdown. Let's start. It'll be good if we do that. So that's gonna be a nice. So we'll be a separate video on the Audi R8 e-tron. Let's just do this race first of all. See what happens. So yeah. See what happens. There's such a lot of traffic outside right now. I just came back from my tennis class 1.5 hours ago. And I had a bath and now my feet are still paining. I'm so tired. Yeah, oh, this Rio de Janeiro. How do you say that? I don't know. Not Brazilian. Or whatever. Okay, how many races? Oh, 8 races. Knockdown? No knockdown? Sad. Very sad. Saddest thing ever happened. Come on. Yes, knockdown. That was nice. Ah! That was certain we never saw that. Okay. Let's go on. We are in 3rd place and we wrecked. Oh god. We got hit by another racer. Our bike got hit, I mean. Not our character. Or whatever you want to call it. Let's go up here. Can it be any better? No, just normal. Okay, Apex good roll, 55%. That's fine. Let's go. We have nitro. Come on. Let's drift. Oh, there's water. There is water. Oh my god. There was water there. It was very slippery. Okay, look, that building had ice just now. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's see what's going to happen. Oh god. Oh, a bus. We wrecked again. It's not going to end up well for us. It's not going to be good. Too many down buses. Them buses. I'll get them buses. These buses are just so irritating. Comment down below if you have ever traveled by bus. I have. Okay. We have a very solid last place. I don't know why I just said that. So yeah. And I'm getting bitten by mosquitoes. Oh my god. Okay. So let's see what happens now. I hope we just get a few more credits so that we can finish line. We can like get enough credits to get to each one. We just need $150, please. 150 credits. I meant to say there's a mosquito biting me, legit, and I'm not liking it. Get out of here! These mosquitoes are biting me too bad. Ouch! It's hurting. Okay, we have enough credits for that.